Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rati and Rebels. Today I have a Korean product to share with you guys, and that is The Therapy by The Face Shop. If you don't know, then Face Shop is a Korean skincare brand and this is a gift set, The Therapy Anti-Aging Formula. So today I am going to talk about this, the review and how the products are going to work for different skin types. So let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, if you're watching me for the first time, then hi, I'm Rati. I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIYs and product reviews. If any of these things interest you, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now I am on TikTok as well, so go ahead and follow me over there. You can also stalk me on Instagram. The link of all the social media handles are linked in description box. So as I told you, here is the gift box, The Therapy Anti-Aging Formula by The Face Shop, and naturally this has been gifted to me by my Pati Dev when he returned from Korea. And this is not a recent buy guys, actually it's I think 6 months to 8 months old product, and this is how the gift box looked like. These are the contents of the gift box. It has an essential toner, it has a moisturizer, an anti-aging oil, eye cream, and this is a heavy based cold cream guys, and this is the foaming face cleanser. So let's talk about all these in detail and how it has been working for me. If you want to know how this has been working for me, then continue with the video. So if I talk about the gift pack, then it has 6 contents in it, which has a Therapy Essential Tonic Treatment, the Therapy Essential Formula Emulsion, the Therapy Secret Made Anti-Aging Cream, and kid you not guys, this is almost over, which I am going to show you in some time. This is the Therapy Anti-Aging Oil Drop Serum. This is the Therapy Secret Made Anti-Aging Eye Cream. And this is the Therapy Essential Formula Foaming Cleanser. For those who don't know about the Therapy, so it is marketed under the Face Shop, and the Face Shop is a famous skincare Korean brand. As you can see here on the box, that each of the bottle and the packet says that it is European blending formula that is 200 years old, so it must be good. Now as I told you, I have been using this since 6 months now, so I am good to give you a review on this. Guys, to be honest, I love this foaming facial cleanser by The Therapy. It just cleans my skin like nobody's business. Every pore of my skin after makeup, or if I'm coming from outside, every dirt from my pore is cleansed after using this foaming cleanser by The Therapy. So this tube is a 100 ml tube, and I don't know if I'm going to get the link of this or not, but I'm going to check on Nykaa. If I get the link, then I'm going to link it down in description box. I am in love with this facial cleanser guys. Let's start the review from the lightest to the thickest in consistency, if that makes sense. So let's start with the facial cleanser first. Here is the facial cleanser. As you can see, it has thick consistency and this takes out the impurities really well. And these products also have a fragrance, but that fragrance is soothing. This scent is soothing and it not overpowers your brain. So I am actually allergic to strong scents and it gives me a headache. But after using this, I do not get a headache. This definitely has a scent to it. So after the foaming cleanser, let's talk about the tonic, and that is like a toner that works. So here is the bottle and you can see how much I have used it already. This is a toner and this is actually a oil based kind of toner. This gives me so much hydration. If you are an oily skin type person, then after using this, I don't think you are going to use any of the moisturizers over this. If I am doing makeup, then only I use moisturizer over this thing because this is hydrating. And you can see the consistency of this. This is a runny liquid. This comes in a pump bottle. Here you can see how runny this is. This is a 50 ml of bottle, and here you can see all the products of this category fall into same kind of scent. So they are following a same line of scent, and this gets absorbed into skin really nicely. Okay, let's keep it over here. For me, as I told you that I am an oily skin type person, so see, this has already blended into my skin. and after using this I do not need to moisturize my skin. If you're a dry skin type person, then definitely you need extra moisturization, unlike oily skin type. After the toner, let's come to the moisturizer, what the moisturizer has in store for us. So this is a 130 ml of bottle. Unlike the toner was 150 ml, however the moisturizer bottle is 150 ml. You can see how much I have used the moisturizer already. If you are an oily skin type person and you are having this, your skin will not need any more boost of hydration. It has a pump sort of situation, and here this is the moisturizer. You can actually see that the toner was of 150 ml and it is a bigger bottle. However, the moisturizer is a smaller bottle of 130 ml. So let's see how this blends. This is ultra light in texture, though it will give you a full boost of hydration, and this also gets absorbed into the skin quickly. Now we are left with a cold cream, and I really doubt if anything is left in this. The jar is empty, guys, the jar is empty. But still, at least I can show you a bit. This cold cream, Gaurav just loves this cold cream. This is so hydrating, and you can see that how many oils this has. If you have dry skin, then you are going to love this cold cream. I used it only once, but this was too heavy for my skin. However, for dry skin people, they are going to love the Therapy Secret Made Anti-Aging Cream. These products have specifically mentioned anti-aging, but anti-aging products show results in long time, not in short time. So abhi tak to ye khatam ho gayi. If we get the new packing, then only we can say how much it is working. So yes, till now out of the 6 products, we have talked about all 4 of these, and now we have the Secret Made Anti-Aging Oil Serum. This oil is so heavy. So this is a 10 ml of bottle. You can see how teeny meeny the bottle is, and this is so heavy oil. This has a really thick consistency. It also has a pump situation going on. I don't know if anything is left in this. I can hear something is there. Here. You can see how thick the oil is. I have still not pressed the full pump, but the oil consistency is so heavy that it is still inside the pump. This is the consistency of the oil. If you are an oily skin type person, I will actually suggest you to refrain from using this because this has literally sticky texture. If I have to use this oil, I only use it under my eyes, over my eyes, during the night only. The drop that I have taken on my hand, I will take just 1/4 drop of that and I will spread it on my eyes because this oil is that heavy. Again, the fragrance of each of the products is same in the line. And lastly, we have our under eye cream, and I love this cream. This is a packing of 10 ml. The tub is small and here is the cream. Again, the fragrance is same and the moisturization that it gives is superb. At the back of the packing also, they have given all the list of the contents and also how you have to use it. You can go as per your choice. Like I first use the cleanser, then the toner, and if I need, then I use the moisturizer, else I stop at the toner and then I use the under eye cream. But for the dry skin type people, you have to use first the cleanser, then the toner, then the moisturizer. After that, you have to use the oil, anti-aging oil, and that is completely optional. If you want to use it, then only use it. And then the eye cream. Eye cream is a must for anyone and everyone. Like in my video, I have told you how you can remove under eye dark circles. By the way, if you have not seen that video, then go ahead and see that right away, in which I have shared with you 5 ways on how you can remove under eye dark circles. So yes, with this we have come to an end of this video. I hope you liked my this quick and mini review on the Therapy by The Face Shop. If yes, then please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a big like, share this video with your friends and family. Follow me on my social media handles, TikTok, Instagram, all the links are in description box below, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.